Did you know this cave goes all the way to Russia?
Ah, you're kidding.
You know, this place is known as the land of love and beauty.
That I can understand.
Hello friends, this is Amrita and welcome to our YouTube channel Offbeat and Untold. Today in our Kashmir series, we will take you to an unexplored and offbeat place in Kashmir, Lulab Valley and Kalaroos Cave. Stay tuned to the end of this video to know all about Lulab Valley, how to reach there and what to do. Those who are new here, please subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos like this. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up to encourage and support us as always. Lulab Valley, also known as Wadi-e-Lulab, is located in Kupwara district in northern Kashmir, which also happens to be one of the most disputed borders of India. We started at 8 in the morning from Srinagar towards Lulab. We crossed Sopore and Patan, the ancient capital of Kashmir, on our way towards Lulab. Do you know, once upon a time, you could go all the way to Rawalpindi by this road? After almost 3 hours of drive, we finally reached Lulab Valley. This beautiful gate is the entrance to the valley. Welcome to Wadi-e-Lulab. The entire valley is 5 kilometers wide and 26 kilometers long, located between Kashmir Valley in India and Neelam Valley in Pakistan. The Lawal River traverses through the valley. Lulab is dotted with a number of beautiful villages. We could see vast expanses of green paddy fields and pastures. Lulab Valley is also known as the fruit bowl of Jammu and Kashmir. Pine and fir forests form a part of the surrounding mountains. There are numerous nameless waterfalls and springs all around the valley. And just at the horizon, the Pir Panjal ranges can be seen. Lulab is indeed the land of love and beauty. What do you think? Let us know in comments below. We drove around the valley and visited a few villages and then went towards Kalaroos village. Well, this is the place where the mysterious Kalaroos caves are located. You will find the caves on top of the mountains at one end of the Kalaroos village. From here we have to hike up to the caves. We have finally reached the caves after a short hike. The Kalaroos caves have many myths associated with them. This is called Satbaran. The name comes from the local word Sadbar, meaning 7 doors. Legend says that these doors are the entrance to the caves that lead all the way to Russia. In fact, The name Kalarus comes from the word Kilarus that literally translates to Russian fort, and they named the entire village after it as well. I do not know whether these caves led to Russia or not, but Sadabaran today hardly leads to 50 meters and ends abruptly. We decided to explore the place. We went beyond Sadbaran, crossed a stream and went looking for the caves.
So basically we are looking for the caves. We have lost our way, and so there's a local coming. Sarif is asking him the way.
So this young local boy took us to one of the caves. We went inside the cave. It was totally dark and we had only our mobiles for light. The locals believed that this cave leads to Russia. However, our young guide mentioned that if we walked through the tunnel for a couple of hours, we will reach some other part of Lolab. Well, this sounds quite plausible. Russia seems too far. What do you think? You can hire a car from Srinagar and visit Lolab Valley. Local buses are available from Srinagar to Kupwara. From Kupwara, you have to take a local car to reach and explore Lolab. There are Jammu and Kashmir Tourism Department tourist bungalows at Chandigam and Khumrial villages in Lolab Valley. But those were closed when we visited. There were no other places to stay. But then a few locals were ready to open up their houses for us. That is the beauty of Kashmir, where locals simply invite you to their houses for a cup of kawa and even offer you to stay at their place. You can also stay at Kupwara. There are a few hotels at the market area. Hope you liked this video on Lolab Valley and Kalarus Caves. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos on Kashmir and other places. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Until then, goodbye and see you next week.